Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get all the vitamins and minerals you need. Achieving optimal nutrition doesn't have to be complicated. We'll explore simple, effective strategies to ensure your body receives everything it requires to thrive. The key is focusing on a diverse and balanced diet, making smart food choices, and understanding when and how to support your intake. Let's dive into making healthy eating easy and enjoyable for everyone. To truly nourish your body, embrace a rainbow of foods. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale are powerhouses, packed with vitamins A, C, and K plus folate. Berries, such as blueberries and strawberries, deliver vital antioxidants and vitamin C, boosting your immune system. Don't forget whole grains for B vitamins and fiber, and dairy or fortified plant-based milks for essential calcium and vitamin D. Each food group plays a crucial role. Making small, consistent changes can lead to big nutritional gains. Aim to consume at least 5 servings of fruits and vegetables daily. Think about adding a piece of fruit to breakfast or extra veggies to dinner. Selecting a variety of colorful produce ensures you get a wide array of nutrients. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods that are rich in vitamins and minerals, rather than those offering little nutritional value. Every bite counts towards your well-being. While a balanced diet is your primary source of nutrients, supplements can sometimes play a supportive role. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplement regimen, as they can advise on your specific needs. Remember, supplements are designed to fill nutritional gaps, not to replace the benefits of whole foods. For instance, during pregnancy, certain vitamins might be recommended. Always prioritize getting your vitamins and minerals from a diverse and healthy diet first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.